My dear students, welcome you all from our sohozlearning tutorial class. Today in this class we will learn about the naming of the organic compounds. So we are starting now. Organic compounds are named in three systems. There are three systems of nomenclature. They are trivial system, derived system and IUPAC system. We will discuss about each of the systems now. The first naming system of the organic compound is trivial system or general system of naming the trivial system. It was the first system of naming of the organic compound. Actually, when the organic compound actually the compounds were not divided into organic and inorganic compounds previously. And then when the organic the branch of chemistry, organic chemistry started to grow, then at that time a lot of organic compounds, some organic compounds were found, and the scientist who discovered the organic compound, he actually named that compound according to his wish. The compound were named by the scientist who discovered it, and actually it was discovered by his own wish. He could name it by anything for according to his will. He can name it from the source he discovered, or he can name it on the basis of the properties of the compound. Many way he can name this compound. For example, C2H6 or ethane. C2H6, this compound was named ethane because when the scientist who discovered it, he found that this gas is extremely flammable. The Greek word ethane means flammable, and that's why he named this compound ethane. Another example is HCOH. HCOH is an acid which is found in the mouth of the red ants. Red ants are called formica, and that's why the acid was named formic acid, as it was found for the first time in the mouth of the red ants. This is the trivial system. The compounds are named according to the wish of the scientist who discovered it. Another example is urea. Urea is a chemical compound. You know about it, that it was the first discovered organic compound or first prepared organic compound in the laboratory. Urea was named urea because it was first time separated from urine. That's why it was named urea. And this is trivial system. Any compound is named on the basis of where it is found or properties or any other or anything the scientist himself named it. This is trivial system, but a problem later arose because the organic compound was discovering in a huge number. A lot of organic compounds was discovered in every day, and to name this all the compounds in this way, that is this, if you cannot imagine that 80 lakhs of different compounds having 80 lakh different names, that is so vast number that we cannot even study these compounds at a time. So for this reason they tried to make some systems of naming of this compound, and the first of this system is derived system. When a lot of organic compounds were discovered, then the derived system was first formulated to name the compound, or to just simply say it is a first try to systematically name the organic compounds. So what is derived system? In this system, all the alkanes, actually this system is not that much effective, and it was postponed later. In this system, all the alkanes are thought to be derivatives of methane. We all know methane. Methane is CH4, one carbon. There is one carbon in this hydrocarbon. That methane is actually an alkane where there is only one carbon and four hydrogen. That is actually a hydrocarbon containing only one carbon. This is methane. CH4 is methane, and all the other alkanes are thought to be derivative of this compound methane. For example, CH3, they thought that CH3, that this is methane, and there is also a methyl group here, so this is named methyl methane. And another compound CH3, CH2, CH3, in this case they thought CH3, they named this compound methane, and CH3, CH2, there are two methyl groups actually in their sense, and that's why they named it dimethyl methane. Actually, when you study this derivative system of naming, you will find many questions that why this, and we just simply name a some compound, very less amount of compound in this system. That's why this system later on cannot exist. Later on this system was abolished, and we can see the final system of naming or IUPAC naming started later. Uh, there is another example of this derivative system. All the alcohols in this system are thought to be derivative of CH3OH or carbinol. In this system, all the alcohols are thought to be derivatives of CH3OH or carbinol. CH2OH, we name it by IUPAC system methanol, but in this system CH2OH is named carbinol, and all the alcohols are thought to be derivative of this carbinol. For example, CH3CH2OH, here CH2OH is carbinol, a methyl group is present here, that's why it is named methyl carbinol. Then again CH2OH is present, carbinol is present, CH3CH2 ethyl group is present, that's why it's named ethyl carbinol. This is actually the derivative system of naming, but this system was later abolished, and the final system or the overall worldwide accepted system of naming is IUPAC naming. We will discuss about this in the next video. If you have any question or any query about these topics, just simply join our Facebook group. The link of this Facebook group is given in the description box, and you can post your queries or any question in that our Facebook group. We will try to give answers to you. Thank you all.